Using all these wonderful features, you can accelerate your output in your professional life. If you're a teacher or trainer, keep your content in video format and make it more presentable to your students. If you are in a corporate world, then in no time you can prepare effective business presentations, company profile, or even small attractive advertisement that fascinates your clients. A doctor can show how he operates or how the therapy works in very simple and striking way to the patients. As you know, nowadays entertainment is a growing industry. This industry uses lot of video and animation. Mastering Premiere Pro let you go ahead in this field with your striking way of entertaining. You name any profession and Premiere Pro is at help to give you the best production. If you have your own shop, show a small video of the items and services available in your shop. If you do not have your shop, make a movie for the shops nearby.